All right, K2s. So you remember through the last few months of the year, we've been working very, very hard learning new words that use the sounds from the vowels. And remember, they are short sounds, so we say them quickly. Right. Now, there are many, many different types of short sounds that we've taught you, like an, the, it, up, ug. There's so many funny sounds that we learned all through the year. And each time I taught you a new word, I showed you a picture. Okay. So now we're going to go for the easiest pictures from all the sounds. Okay. So the first picture is a pen. What vowel sound do you hear there? It's e for n. Pen. The next one is a bag. Bag. Which vowel sound are you hearing? A. The A sound. Bag. Ag. Bag. Okay. The next picture we have here, this is a cup. Up. What vowel sound are you hearing there? You're hearing A for up. Remember, up and under. So up, cup. Okay. The next picture we're going to look at is a zip. Remember I told you a zip. It goes close fast. Zip, 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 zip. So it's a quick sound. Okay. Zip. E is the vowel sound you're hearing there. Zip, zip. Okay. And the last picture is pot. Pot. Which sound are you hearing? You're hearing the sound for the O. So there we have E, A, I, Okay. These are 5 of the sounds that you learned throughout the year. Now what I want you to do, you're going to go all around your house and you're going to look for each picture. You're going to try and find a bag and then you take a photo of it. And you find a pen and you take a photo of it. Same with cup, zip, and pot. Take photos of them and send them to me. Okay. I want to see if you can find all these items in your house. Good luck.